Hey guys, what's up? Have you ever wanted to just save an instant replay with just one button? Well, if you have an Nvidia GPU, I'm going to show you how. That way, on the top left, see it said recorded 2 minutes and 56 seconds ago. If you have an Nvidia GPU, one button creates. I have a set for 3 minutes. You can have a set for 5, set for 2, set for whatever you want. I think up to 8 minutes, I think. Okay, either way, you're going to hit left Alt and Z. This is going to bring up the Nvidia control panel. You're going to make sure that instant replay is on, so you're going to click it. Mine's already on, but you're going to turn it on. Okay, then we're going to come over to the cogwheel over here on the right. You're going to click it. You're going to click recordings. You're going to decide where you want to put it. Okay. Then you're going to set up your keyboard shortcuts. What you're going to look for is this one right here. Yours might say Alt F10 if you've never messed with it. I changed mine to number 0 on my macro pad. So it's just an easy, you can set that to any key you want, any key that you're not going to be using most of the time, that you're not going to hit it by accident. Okay, then you're going to go into the video capture. This is where you're going to decide how long you want using this. You may have to turn off instant replay to access it. Here, let's go back. Instant replay. Nope, wrong one. Turn off. Go in here and then video capture. Yes, this is where you're going to change it. Depending on how good your computer is to record whatever you're using, is where you can choose these recordings here. Okay, I can handle 4K, so I choose 4K, and I can handle 60 frames a second. So that's where I go. So at 4 minutes at 4K, it's going to take 1.8 gigs of space up on my computer. Again, you would choose this depending on what your computer can handle. Okay, so that's set. You're going to go back, and I'm going to turn this back on. So now instant replay is turned on. So if you are on PC and you want to do a recording and send it, this is how you would do it. Now we're going to go to where mine is saved. No, I don't think this was it. See, I should have shot him then. But anyway. But it'll save it in here. And then you can... Anyway. We can exit out of there now. So, and it'll save it. It'll save it to whatever folder, and then you would upload it to the Google Drive.